Relatable pain plus intrigue. You're getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep, but you still wake up tired, groggy, and unfocused. That's because you're not getting deep sleep, and your body knows it. In this video, we'll reveal why you're missing out on real rest and how to fix it naturally. Why deep sleep matters. Deep sleep, also called slow-wave sleep, is when your body repairs tissues, balances hormones, cleans brain toxins, consolidates memory. Without it, your immune system weakens, your mood crashes, and your brain function drops fast. Most adults are missing up to 60% of their deep sleep. What's stealing your deep sleep? Here are the hidden culprits robbing your deep rest every night. Blue light before bed, phones, TVs, tablets, racing thoughts or anxiety. Alcohol at night makes you sleepy but disrupts deep cycles. Late night eating, digestion keeps your body alert. Inconsistent sleep schedule destroys your circadian rhythm. Signs you're not getting enough deep sleep. You might be missing deep sleep if you wake up still tired, you forget things often, you crash midday, you feel moody or foggy, you experience frequent colds or poor immunity. Even with a full night's sleep, you're running on low power. Natural fixes to improve deep sleep. Here's your deep sleep fix plan. 1. Power down screens 1 hour before bed. 2. Dim your lights. Mimic sunset indoors. 3. Add magnesium-rich foods. Spinach, almonds, dark chocolate. 4. Try herbal teas. Chamomile, valerian root, lemon balm. 5. Create a sleep cue routine. Same music, scent, or stretch. 6. No heavy meals. 2 hours before bed. 7. Keep bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Bonus tip. Lavender oil may naturally support sleep depth and quality. Track your progress and bonus tip. Use a fitness band or app to check your sleep cycles. Even 10 to 20% more deep sleep can boost mood, memory, and metabolism. Sleep debt is real. Even one bad night affects your brain for up to 4 days. Stop just sleeping and start restoring. Drop a comment. Deep Sleep Reset if you're ready to upgrade your nights. Subscribe to Healscape BDS for humanized health content that helps you wake up energized every day.